travelers. So here we are taking a look at the Sunrei Pinecone 3 Pro rechargeable lantern. Now this is an LED lantern and it looks like an old sort of gas lantern, which I think is pretty cute. And it charges just here by the USB-C port. USB-C being the preferred port. Now on the site they actually show that this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different modes, but I actually could only find the access to the main ones which you get by accessing. So this here is supposedly the high red 20 lumen, but to me it's more of a soft kind of warm orange light. Still very nice at night, but I think I would have preferred to have this in addition to a red one. But this is the usual setting that I use it on. They say that this would run for 12 hours. This is the low 10 lumen, and supposedly this will go for 102 hours. But when I click it again, that is supposedly the medium or the high, I'm not too sure. It does list a medium and a high, but I can only access the low and the high or medium. So this is, if it's the high, then it would be the 7-hour runtime and 200 lumens, and if it's the medium, then it's 10 hours runtime at 100 lumens. And do come in the comment and correct me if there is a different way to access this, but I could not get it to go any brighter than this, so unless you press and hold it or something, I can't find a way to access that ultra high beam. Double tapping doesn't seem to do it either, which is a usual thing, and pressing and holding it just seems to turn it on and off. So I couldn't find that other one. So the other function is that the last setting here is kind of I thought it was supposed to be pulsating like a candle, like flickering like a candle, which would be quite cool, but actually I think it says on the site that this is the strobe, but it's not very fast for a strobe, so I don't know why you would want this, and it doesn't say how long it runs for, so I'm not sure if that makes it run for longer or if people like a pulsating light like this when they're sleeping. But either way, it's a very nice, well-built light, and the metal parts here, the cage at the bottom, is real metal. This top part's plastic and it doesn't twist or anything. It does have a magnet here, so you can magnetically attach that to a car or a part of your tent that is magnetic. And then you also have the little carabiner here, so you could hang it from a camping site. So overall, yeah, really nice little light, and I definitely love the first warm light they have here. Would have preferred a red as well, but overall, definitely a really great light for the price. Definitely go ahead and check out flashlightgo.com where they sent this to me from. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.